We're gonna try it again. I'm dressed. I'm about to get my boy dressed, and we about to go have some fun. I just feel like I need to get dressed. I'm not even going anywhere specifically for me. Oh, but the mother is T. Okay. We're going to Funland. Come on, say hi. Baby. Alright guys, so like I was telling y'all the other day, we came to Funland and I didn't call. So me and my boy is going to Funland. It is literally right across the park. So this is perfect. Dukes, you ready? Go play? Yes. Oh no, guys, they have a closed event until 7. I don't know why I didn't call. I should have called. They're all the way up here and it was somebody's party and they rented out the entire thing. So we're gonna try today, and hopefully because it's a weekday, it's Monday, we can have the place to ourselves. And don't mind me, I did all this to do this. You know how you just sit in the house and you just been not cute, and you just want to just do something for yourself? This is what I did for myself, and I feel amazing. So come with us as we go to Joyland. I don't know if it's Funland or Joyland, but it's in Brandywine. And it's for kids 10 and under. And they really primary focus on toddlers. So I think this would be a great idea. So come with us to Funland. You ready, Dukes? You ready? You ready? You and me. Get a drink of water. When I got a drink of wine. Okay, and let's take 1 minute to see the entire place. Everything is right in the open and I love it. And like I said earlier, I guess we did come on a great day because we literally have the whole place to ourselves. One other kid is here, but we'll take that. Okay, so moving right along. Once you get in here, y'all, the price is fairly fair. It's like $21. You get 2 hours. But I noticed that the guy gave me 3. And that price is for you and your toddler, and it comes with your non-skid socks. Now, the only thing that I didn't like about it was that they did not sell food. Y'all know we are the greedy people, but they do have food here, so please pack your baby a snack. And now we're off to the races. Come and join us. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. You okay? You alright? Let me see your boo-boo. Let me see your leg. He done hit his knee. Scraped it up. But it's safe to say Joyland and Brandywine is amazing. Take your kids there because my son to be there twice a week. Okay? Me is back home. My boy done got him some lunch. And it's nap time. It's about to rain, and I think I really want some Chipotle. I'm trying to learn how to end my vlogs, y'all. I know I suck at this. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm going to catch y'all on the next video.